Welcome back to My Espresso. In this video, I'll be showing you the My Espresso settings. To find the settings, tap the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner. Then tap Settings, and you're in the settings screen. From here, you can choose to select language, log out, or delete your account. To change language, tap Select Language. Choose the language you prefer. Your account will now be in that language. Tap the same button to change it back. You can also choose to log out from here or delete your account. When you tap Delete Account, this pop-up will appear. Keep in mind that if you delete your account, it's a permanent action that cannot be undone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our other channels on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.